chopping Kenyan, guys. I'm chopping. I've never seen anything like this in my life. You're working out at the same time, but look how smooth, how fine the onions are. This is a game changer. I'm telling you, everybody has to buy this. This one, Amazon, get it. Just wanted to show you guys. So the onion, look at the onion. This is the onion. It came out like that. Look, it's crazy, huh? Nothing else. I'm going to change the blades, so you just press it on the side. I can't lift it up because it's stuck in. It's really still, but there's a button on the side. You just press it and this comes off. That's pretty much. You go ahead and do the shape first. Using some of the blades so that we can, yeah, you gotta use it, clean it, don't need to rinse it, it's fine. Just make sure it's snap and then you press the button so that it doesn't move. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna go ahead and grind some cheese so you guys can see. All here, 2, 4, 6, 8. I'm gonna do the cheese. This is the cheese. You see, you just go ahead and pick it out from there, and then you just, there you go, this way. You just snap it in, like so. I'm gonna put this in. I'm gonna go ahead and screw this back on. You have to make sure it's super tight because if it's kind of loose, I've noticed it doesn't do the job. And this one is already clean, so you make sure this, so that there's 2 rows on this side. You make sure they match with what's going on like that, okay? And like I said, you make sure it's super tight on the back. So we're gonna go ahead and do cheese now. I'm gonna we put it like that. Now I'm gonna cut it. I'm going to cut it in. I'm gonna break it just like that. I'm gonna put a couple. I'm gonna slice them and just put them on the side like that. That is nice and cool. The cheese now. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. It's so fast. Look at that blade. Look. Oh my god. I'm not a big fan of cheese, but this is gonna change everything. Sometimes you put it here and forget. No, it's supposed to go in here. Look, what is happening? It's magic. Now, yeah, like here, I usually don't use cheese when I make food, but just to show you guys how this thing works, it's amazing. Well, I'm gonna continue. I'll do some more stuff. I'll do cucumber. I'm gonna do some apple. I'll have some carrots here. I'm gonna chop them off. I'm gonna do zucchini. Also, yeah. I feel like, and I think every woman who knows how to cook and who knows how hard it can be to chop stuff in the kitchen, they really should get this. It's a game changer. It's not very expensive. It was like $20 some from Amazon. I say I bought this before. I don't know, whatever the thing is. It cut me. It did. It just chopped my finger off. So since then I was like, no, I have put it away. I'm not even using it. You have to put the way this one off. No, I don't even want to talk about it. Anyway, so guys, for that, this is a game changer. People should get this, and yeah, you can put in a dishwasher, no problem, because the little food will stuck on the vegetable, whatever you're chopping is going to stuck on the blade. So dishwasher will be good. You just like put it soaking in the water for quite some time, and then all the food, whatever you shred, is gonna come off. But yeah, thank you so much guys for watching my channel. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye. So after you finish cutting whatever you're cutting, you just pull this out just like that, so you can change it and use a different blade for something else. You wanna make cheese, look, yeah, you just pull it out. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this, and then I'm gonna shred something else so you guys can see. Hey guys, let's see what's in the box. We just got this package from Amazon. Let's go ahead and open and see what's in here. It's something for the kitchen. I'm gonna shred stuff, and then we'll see how it works. There you go. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this. And like I said, we're going to see how it works. I just wanted to show you guys all the pieces that come with it. Stain, that's the name of it. Product, and all the product manual on it. Show you what to do, how to do, and how to work with, and what can you use it for. I'm gonna put this one down. This one is show all the pieces that it comes with. I'll leave it upside down. There you go. But here is a product manual. Stain. They come in different color. Mine is yellow. What a cutie. Cutie, cutie, cutie. There you go. Okay, let's get to business. This does so much. You can make juice. Depending what better you use to so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and like show you guys, line them up, and then show you. But I wanted to show you the box. So go ahead and I'll just show you the pieces. Get rid of all that. This is how it comes in the box. It comes already put together like that. It makes it a little bit easier for you, so that we don't have too much attachment. But I just wanted to show you all the pieces that it comes with. Let me see. Okay, this is the main part. And then we take this one. And I think this thing comes out. I'll show you guys that on. Now we're just unboxing it, and I'm gonna open this. This is the handle that we use, so you can blend your vegetable, fruits, cheese, whatever you want to do. So many blades. I'm using my blades. This is the knife. So they come in a little pot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them. Let's say mine is yellow. So here's what you have in the box. I'm gonna go ahead and organize them and show you guys how many pieces they are, and then we're gonna use them so you can see how it works. I'll be right back. Okay, so let's show you guys. This one comes out. You just slide out. You have to press this button right here, and it comes loose. You just hold them like that. In fact, you have to hold the button. So you hold it down, and you slide it back in. You hold it and you slide it back in, and you hold it and you slide back out, just like that. But you have to press the button. and hold the button. You have to hold the button to slide it in slowly and gently. There you go, and you have to make the quick noise. So for this one, is the one that supposed to make it say still on your kitchen counter, and this is supposed to go like that, and then look, it doesn't move. So this rubber thing is supposed to hold it still, and then from there, this one, like this holder thing, it goes in here. I want to make sure you put it right, the right way. It goes like that. You fit, and then you go ahead and put this one. I'll show you guys. I'm not gonna put it stiff right now, but I want to show you. So this one goes in. As that goes in, goes like that. And then you go ahead and take this. You're gonna go ahead and screw it in. I'm just gonna go ahead and attach that. And then start just moving it. Make sure this is like that. And then you have to angle it correctly. It's all aligned. And so this is how it does. Move it like that, like so. How cute is that? And like I said, I'm gonna show you different stuff that I was gonna lay down today, but I just want to show you all the bread that come with them. Cheese, vegetable. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so I'll show you. I bought this before from Amazon, but I don't even use it. It cut my finger one time I tried to use it. I sliced myself. That's what it looked like. It is so sharp, and you have to put this thing on top just to change the if you're cutting something different, you can put this so that you can change how they come out. But like I say, I have never used it. I used it one time and it was so sharp, it sliced my finger. So I was like, you know what, I don't even want to use it. So long story short, when I saw this one is bye-bye. And when I saw this one, everything was a game changer. So this is how you're gonna, you see this little thing right here? This is how you're gonna move it so you can stay still in your kitchen counter so it doesn't move. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna move it to the left, and then just go ahead and start shredding some stuff. So you guys can see, like I said, it doesn't move. Once you put it on. We're gonna go ahead and start. See, we're gonna start. In fact, I'm gonna start with the onions. So this is how you do it. You put it. Oh, this is too big. I'm gonna go ahead and maybe cut it in half. Let's go ahead and cut it in half. Okay, we're gonna cut it in half. The cheese. We're gonna cut the onion in half, and then I'll show you guys how it works. We go ahead and put the onion. This onion is so big. Some of these vegetables are too big to fit in, so you're gonna have to kind of work with it. It has to, the whole thing has to go in. But like I said, once it goes in. I'm not having a hard time. It's just like the onion is way too big. So I also cut this. So there you go. And then from here, this is how you do it. You press it down, and then look. Look at that. This is amazing. I do not like to make my food with that big chunk onion. So this is a game changer. Yeah, this is a game changer. There you go. Oh my goodness. I love it. I love it. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up and chop something else.